Hi friends, my name is Emma and today I will instruct you how to find the support and resistance levels on the chart. And I've already told you that these levels are considered to be one of the most effective ways to trade. It will give you the chance to get the very good results, to make a very good profit, and also to improve your skills in trading, to become advanced in this sphere. You will learn to find the similar situations on the market, to understand when it is better to open the trade, what time frame better to choose, and how to define these levels, because the level is not always the horizontal line. It may be the certain zone, certain area, and you should always remember this. And you know that I tell more about trading in my Telegram chat, and if you want to get there, just find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. There I post the trading signals with profitability of 80-90%, and I add there some more pieces of advice that can help you in your own practice. So it will be a very useful experience for you. That's why I'm inviting you there. And also guys, I really want you to subscribe to the channel and support me with your great likes, because today is going to be a very brilliant trading day and I'm sure we will get very good results. So hi everyone, today I will show you the resistance and support levels, and I will tell you how to determine these levels correctly and what time expiration is better to choose. So I will be analyzing and working out my situations with 15 seconds time frame and will be opening my trades from 1 minute to 3 minutes. So watch this video to the end, put your like. I suppose this video will be useful to you and you will use this strategy that I will show you in your own trading. And of course, you know that the practice is very important because you understand how to work out yourselves and you understand the market better. So train more and learn these situations and you will succeed in it, of course. So this is the first situation, and you can see that there was a very good and confident price movement upwards, and also from this point there was the reversal, and as you understand, it happened for a reason. If you rewind the chart to the left, you will see that about an hour ago from this point there was also the reversal. So let's set the level due to the upper willows of this candlestick. So here you can see that we have this certain area and the price is given their reaction. It's not always the horizontal line, it may be the certain area. So here you see such a picture that the price approached this area, then bounced down. So after it was the impulsive price movement upwards, and after touching off the level there was the bounce down. So here we could open a trade went down. Also after the rollback and the small flat, the price continued its movement up and this level was broken through. So after the impulsive breakout, the price got to the retracement zone, then bounced down. So this situation can be called as a complicated false breakout, when the price goes beyond the level, then fixes over it for some time and then returns to the previous area. So the price is moving very impulsively up and the general trend of the price is going up. So and after the retracement the price is moving up. So and after the retracement movement we could also open a trade with up. So in this situation we could open 3 trades, and since the price moves quite impulsively, 1 minute would be enough for this. As you can see at the moment the price is really impulsively moving up and this level has already been broken through completely. So on the market there are some situations and patterns, and they are the approaching the level, at the level, after the breakout of the level, and also you can see that the moment after the impulsive breakout of the level the price has stopped and is fading. Only the long wicks up are left. Also at the moment you can see the red candlestick is appearing. So in such situation we can also open a trade for 1 minute only with down, because I think that after the impulsive movement up there will be the retracement movement and the price will bounce down. And also you can notice that all the similar situations are the same actually. After the impulsive one-way movement there must be the retracement movement. This is the pullback in the opposite direction, and it is more likely that the same thing will happen in this situation. So I think that we will get the profit from this transaction. We need to wait for the end. So guys, it's very interesting. So the retracement movement really happened and the price bounced down. So 1 minute was enough for that. So it's a very good start. Let's continue our trading. So guys, here you can see that there was a very good one-way movement. The price touched this certain area and then bounced down. So after this rollback, the price is again moving very impulsively to this point, and right now it has gotten to the flat zone. So this is the accumulation. Therefore, I will open a trade for 3 minutes with up. And just now the small bounce down has happened, and this is a very good point to open a trade with up because price has very good potential for an increase and the main price lows are becoming higher. So in this situation, it is more likely that the price will continue moving up towards the resistance level, and also it is possible that this level will be broken through. So guys, let's wait and see what can happen here. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, the price really continued its upward movement and this level is broken through. Now we are getting the very good profit. So in this situation, it would also be possible to open a trade for 2 minutes, but in any case, we have got the profit. And you know, in such situations, I always open trades with the reserve for 2 minutes or for 3 minutes. I just expect that perhaps in the near future, the small flat will take place or a small rollback down. So as a rule, in the 15 seconds time frame, the price behaves exactly like this. So it's another situation, and you can see that after the downward movement, the price reversed from this point, and now the price is moving towards this point. So you can see the direction, and we need to set the horizontal line, and I will define it as a resistance level. So you can also pay attention to the fact that the general trend is going up and the price lows are getting higher here. So, and this is also the sticking to the level you can notice. Let's open a trade for 2 minutes up, because I think that in this situation it is more likely that the price will be moving up and next level will be also broken through, because all these levels are inner ones and the price has a very excellent upside potential, and it means that the price will be moving up and it will be moving towards the main resistance level at least. So 2 minutes with the reserve, because we need to take into account the small flat or a small rollback down. Well, let's wait for the end of this transaction. Well, it's very good. As you can see, after the small rollback down, the upward movement continued and this level is broken through. Now we have got the very good profit. Well, let's look for some another situations on the market. So guys, I reverted the chart to the left for 1 hour ago, and I can set the horizontal line due to the lower values of this candlestick. So this is the lowest point for this length of time. So let's return to the beginning of this chart. So here you can notice that this is a very good and confident downtrend, and there is still a place to the support level. So here let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down. I think that in the near future the price will move towards this level, because this is a very good potential for a decrease and the main price highs are becoming lower here. This is the downtrend. Also, of course, there can be some rollbacks or a small flat, and that's why we will open a trade with the reserve. So let's check what can happen here. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, the price really continued its movement down to the support level and we have got the profit here again. So we have just worked out the approach to the support level. So let's look for some another situations. So guys, here you can see that from this point the price reversed and went up. So let's set the level due to the lower values of these candlesticks, and here you can also see that the moment the price approached this level with very impulsive red candlesticks. So let's open a trade with up for 1 minute only. I think that in this situation, after the impulsive downward movement from this level, there will be the retracement movement. This is a small roll back up, and in this situation 1 minute will be enough. So guys, let's wait for the end of this transaction. Well guys, it's very good. We have just worked out the rollback from the support level and after the impulsive approaching the level. So you know that in these situations there will be the retracement movement. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see that this is a very good impulsive red candlestick. So at the moment this is also the fading and only long wicks down are remaining. So in this situation I would like to open a trade for 1 minute with up. I think that we will get into the retracement movement and there will be the small rollback up at least. Because as in most cases after the impulsive one-way movement there must be the retracement movement, the small rollback. So this pattern in the market also works fine, and I think that in this situation 1 minute will be enough for us. Well, let's check what can happen here. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, the retracement movement really happened and there was a rollback up. So we have got a very confident profit. So you can use these patterns safely in your own trading. When I see such situations on the market, I always work them out. As instead in such situations you can earn very good money. Well, let's keep on our trading. So here you can see that we have the resistance level here, and from this level there was the rollback, and right now the price approached this level and is starting to break it through. So in this situation let's open a trade for 1 minute only with up. I think that we will get into the impulsive movement of the price, into the breakout of the level, because the price has very good potential for an increase, and I think that 1 minute will be enough in this situation, even if we take into account the small rollback down. So let's check what can happen here. Well guys, it's very good. So the impulse up really happened and we got the profit here. So 1 minute, as I said, was enough for this. So this level was broken through and the profit is ours. So such situations are called the breakout of the resistance level. So let's consider another situation. So guys, here you can see the support level, and you can also notice that this is a very good downward movement, and also the main price highs are becoming lower here, and the moment this is the small rollback up happening. Well, let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down. Just after the rollback we can see the price is impulsively moving towards this level, and I think that in this situation there will be the breakout of this level. So also there can be the small flat and a small rollback. That's why I have opened a trade for 2 minutes with the reserve. Well, let's check it. Well, it's very good. So the price really continued its downward movement and this level was broken through. So we have got very gorgeous profits. 2 minutes, very enough for this. And you now know this situation. This is the breakout of the support level. But I would like to find another situation and open one more trade for today. Let me find something interesting. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and also from this level there was a rollback, and right now the price is again approaching this level and is sticking to it. I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes with up here because I think that this level will be broken through in the near future, because the price has approached this level 3rd time in a very short period of time, yes. And also recently the price has had a very good potential for an increase, and I think that in this situation this level will be broken through and 2 minutes will be enough, because this is with the reserve, even the small flat happens. So right now the price is impulsively moving up, and I'm sure this technical analysis that we've conducted was correct. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. Now you see that the price broke through this level with very good impulsive green candlestick, and we are getting the confident brilliant profit. So 2 minutes were enough for that. So in this situation we could open a trade for 1 minute, but you can also immediately notice that after the impulsive breakout there was the rollback down. This is the retracement moment, and we could also open a trade here with down. So now my deposit is $10,000 and I would like to finish here because I have fulfilled my plan, and you know my strategy: when the plan is fulfilled you have to leave the market for today, because tomorrow you will have another plan. So after watching this video, now you know how to find the support and resistance levels, how to work out the situations approaching the level, the rollback after touching the level, the breakout of the level, and also the pull back up to the breakout of the level. Now you know that you can apply some patterns in the market and use this strategy in your own trading. Use this strategy in your own trading and you will succeed in it. You will just understand how to find the similar situations. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your like. Support this video with your likes, with your comments, because I really love reading your comments and I'm very happy to have you as a subscriber, and I will be absolutely delighted to have you as a member of my Telegram chat. To get to this Telegram chat that I love so much, you need just find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. I will add you there very fast and you will start your working, your practicing already today. See you in the next video.